If you live in Bexley, Ohio, and you're thinking about downsizing at some point in the near future, or if you have a house in Bexley, Ohio that you're looking to sell because you're downsizing, this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin with Sell House Columbus, and for over 14 years we've been working with home sellers and residents of Bexley, Ohio. And the reason people like working with us is we keep everything very simple and easy for you. Not only do we keep it easy and convenient for you, but we're also going to treat you fairly. So we get a lot of calls every single month, and a large percentage of these calls are people just like you who are looking to downsize. So one thing I know is you're not desperate, you're not looking to give the house away, this isn't a fire sale, and we don't expect it to be. So when you give us a call, we're going to make you a fair cash offer on your Bexley house, and we're going to buy the house in its as-is condition. This is very convenient for you. So you don't need to fix anything, you don't need to clean anything, you don't need to haul anything away. In fact, after you move, if you want to leave anything behind that you just don't need anymore, we can dispose of anything for you. We want to keep this as simple as possible, and we're a true cash buyer, and this is convenient for you because we don't need to rely on a bank or a lender to appraise the property, have all these people walking through your Bexley house, and now you got to pay commissions and closing costs. It's not that at all. We're a true cash buyer, so we could buy the house in its as-is condition, and we can close on the date of your choice. Since we're not relying on a bank approval, if you need speed, if you need to close quickly or want to close quickly, we 100% could accommodate that. But if you need more flexibility, like something has to happen before you could close on the house, by all means, let's just talk about it. We could provide flexibility if that's going to accommodate your needs. So when you give us a call at 614-300-5151, or you visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com, you'll fill out a very simple form and we'll get on the phone. But when we get on the phone, it's an easy conversation. We just wanted to know more about the house and then just know more about any timeline that you're currently working with. And from there, we'll make you a fair cash offer on your Bexley house. If it works, great. We'll move forward and communicate effectively throughout this entire process. If our offer does not work for you, we can shake hands and part as friends. There's never going to be any added pressure or sales tactics or gimmicks or wasting time. We're not going to do that at all. It's going to be very transparent throughout the entire process from the time that you call us until the time that we get to the closing table and purchase your Bexley house because you're downsizing. So our phone number here, 614-300-5151. Our website is sellhousecolumbus.com. We've worked with hundreds and hundreds of people. We got tons of reviews and testimonials and references, and we'd love the opportunity to look at and discuss your Bexley house. So give us a call. That number, once again, 614-300-5151 or sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin, and I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.